Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel stupid saying this over and over again at this point, but okay, let's get back. And in this video, we'll be discussing a bit about the if name is equals to main idiom in Python, which is basically, you know, if it's basically just supposed to, guard the print statement, or it's supposed to ensure that it executes only when the file is run intentionally or directly, and not like, if you're just importing a file, and it's not supposed to print every single statement that is in that second file that we're importing. Let's just do it with an example. So let's just say we create a new file. Let's just say we create a new file called what do we call it, guys? Let's just say it's help not py, sorry, help dot py. And in help.py we define a function hello, and that hello function is supposed to print a statement. Okay, fine, hello world. Let it be hello world. Okay, and let's just say if we call hello, alright, what is supposed to happen? Nothing is run. Alright, okay, now we're gonna import help. Okay, and we're going to run this function hello from help. What does it do? It's running this function 2 times, which means, we called it only once here. Why is it running the second time? It means it is running for this import as well. Like, even if we're importing the file, it is still running that function unintentionally. So let's just see if it will still run. Yes, it will still run that function. So basically what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to use the if underscore underscore name is equals to main function, right? Which means that if the name of the function is being called, only and only then you're supposed to call the function. Otherwise, if the name is not being used, you are not supposed to run the function, which means that this hello will not be run unless you ask it to be run. And let's see that here by now it's not supposed to give us any sort of output. See, it's not, which means that before, even for this import function, even if you were just importing this file, it was running this hello function unintentionally, right? We didn't want that to happen. We don't want that every time we import a file, it's supposed to start calling every single function, and it's supposed to print out every single statement. So basically this if name is equals to main function just blocks, or it just guards the statements, that is, they're not printed unless you ask them to be printed. That is, unless I ask this help.hello to be run, unless I'm asking it to print it out, like I'm calling this function, which means I do want this hello function to run. Now it's supposed to give me one time hello world, and it does. So this was a little bit about the, you can say, if name is equals to main function in Python. And let's just see if we ask it to print the underscore name, what does it do? See, print name as in help. It is printing the file's name help hello world, and if we just ask it to run, now it will run help and hello world as well. Alright, so that was it for this video, and in this we just basically learned how this if name is equals to main thing works, and it basically helps us to prevent the same statement, the statement to be, it prevents the statement from being printed unnecessarily or unintentionally or unwantedly. um, yeah, that's about it. And this was also a very interesting concept in Python. I've realized that there are a few things in Python which are different from other, you can say our regular languages, our friendly C languages, and they have a bit of, difference in them. They're a bit easier to use, and you can see how Python has just been made so simple for us to, it's literally one of the most, I think it's definitely one of the most simplest languages I have ever studied. Like it's amazing how simple uh how simple a language can really get. I'm stuttering at this point. I think I should end this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.